Day 3. Hi guys, today we are making 3 minutes Alfredo pasta. Use any pasta shape and soak into water. Then add a cup of whole milk, or you can say creamy milk. Then fill the bowl with your heart full of cream. Yummy. Add some pepper and some red chili baby. Add some salt. Don't forget the chemical X. Just a little bit, okay? Garlic powder is an optional if you're not a Chinese. Mixy, it gonna fixy. Put it in the oven for around 3 to 5 minutes in case you are newbie like me. Aristotle said patience is bitter, but its fruit is sweet. Tada! It's ready. Aroma is blowing my mind. Take it out. Don't forget your mittens. Add some cheese. Stir to spread the cheesiness. Mamma mia! Enjoy the creamy, cheesy Alfredo Italiano pasta. Yummy!